Hello and welcome. This is Nikki and I wanted to have a chat with you all. I want to chat a little about Affinity and the future of the iPad tutorials. And don't worry, not much is changing on my end. First, I want to give a shout out to the subscribers that I have. My channel is new and I'm in the beginning stages of figuring out how to make this all work. Thank you to those who have subscribed, liked, and shared. Next, I want to talk about Affinity's new change. This change hasn't affected iPad at all, yet. From what I have heard, Affinity 3 may come at the beginning of the year. For the desktop, I have watched a couple of videos that do excellent desktop tutorials, and they have shown what the AI features are. From what I have seen, it's not worth it yet to subscribe to get those features. Affinity 3 is placing all the apps together in what they are calling studios. They are offering it for free. You may ask what the catch is. I believe the catch may be to subscribe if you want the AI features. I am not going to go down that road as of right now. I did install and take a look at the user interface, and not much has changed. One new feature that designers will like will be the tracing feature. It is very similar to what Inkscape offers. It auto-traces an image and turns it automatically into a vector. Another feature is the mesh gradient tool. So with that said, I'll continue to do iPad tutorials as usual. It is a lot of work to even put up a 5-minute video tutorial. There's preparation on what tool or feature that I want to show that is worthwhile to beginners to want to learn. Then there's the recording part, which sounds easy, but think of a regular movie with all the takes that they have to go through to make that movie. Then there's the video editing part, which takes a while because I have to cut out or add things. I am focusing on the iPad and not my face, as my face isn't the focus of the videos or tutorials. So this is why I only place about 1 video per week. I sometimes may put 2 depending on circumstances. My focus going forward will be a few more features with shapes, then moving on to the pen tool. Then get into effects, then getting into layers and how to use them. Also, if you would like to support this channel, I have created a Buy Me a Coffee page. I hope this explains a few things about Affinity and Canva, and I hope my process is a little bit more clear. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.